Buying crypto in a big exchange is like shopping at a fancy mall. Prices are set, fees are high, and you're always wondering, what if the mall closes tomorrow? Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes to the factory direct version of crypto, the DEX. Traditional exchanges are like middlemen. They control the stock and the prices. On the other hand, the DEX is a direct workshop. Buyers and sellers connect at the source. This means no layers, no bosses, no waiting. But who guarantees the deal? Enter the smart contract. Think of it as an automated robot inspector. You put in your tokens, they put in theirs, and the robot swaps them instantly. No one can cheat the code. Why DEX? 3 reasons. 1, true ownership. The tokens stay in your wallet until the second they swap. 2, no borders. It's open 24/7 globally. 3, freedom. Anyone can list a new project without asking for permission. But factory direct has its risks. You are the manager. If you lose your private keys, there is no customer service to call. And be careful. Just like a street market, some workshops produce fakes. Always do your research. If you're unsure where to start, learn first. And always test in small amounts. We see DEXs as the manufacturing revolution of Web3, cutting out the noise to make value transfer transparent. Thanks for watching. The world of crypto is vast and exciting. What should we explore next? Comment below.